All this life is a mess. But no high pressure overwhelming, and no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting, because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be among virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I'm here, I wait upon a wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't tell me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them I pray for done fine. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God, come and know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting, because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be among virgin. Might not be the best of my life, but we still stand the test of time. Still number one in my type price. Keep them things, but we'll keep my pride. Might not work, but at least I tried. Fed up as I feel sometimes, and I admit I've cried. But it's a part of life. No high pressure overwhelming, and no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting, because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be among virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I'm here, I wait upon a wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't tell me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them I pray for done fine. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God, come and know the pressure overwhelming. And illegal things feel tempting, because in 9 to 5 I know investing. I just preparation for blessings. Yo, Javi. I know the pressure overwhelming. All this life is a mess. I know high pressure overwhelming, and no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting, because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be among virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I'm here, I wait upon a wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't tell me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them I pray for done fine. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God, come and know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting, because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be among virgin. Might not be the best of my life, but we still stand the test of time. Still number one in my type price. Keep them things, but we'll keep my pride. Might not work, but at least I tried. Fed up as I feel sometimes, and I admit I've cried. But it's a part of life. No high pressure overwhelming, and no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting, because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be among virgin. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I'm here, I wait upon a wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't tell me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them I pray for done fine. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God, come and know the pressure overwhelming. And illegal things preparation for blessings. Yo, Javi. I know the pressure overwhelming. All this life is a mess. I know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be a virtue. I'll let me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I me I wait upon a wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't draw me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them a pray for done fire. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God. Come and know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be a virgin. Might not be the best of my life, but we still stand the test of time. Still number one in my type price. Keep them things, but we'll keep my pride. Might not work, but at least I tried. Fed up as some feel sometimes. And I admit I've cried. But it's a part of life. No high pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just preparation for blessings. Cause you're walking no man more than he can be a virtue. I'll run me alone and abandoned for fear and option. So if I me I wait upon a wrong man. Cool like London, my focus constant. Can't draw me off in a reaction. Aim for the cloud, dog. All them a pray for done fire. I wanna feel like your back against wall. That I time for your God. Come and know the pressure overwhelming. And illegal things feel tempting. Because in 9 to 5 I know investing. I just preparation for blessings. Yo, Javi. I know the pressure overwhelming. All this life is a mess. I know the pressure overwhelming. And no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting. Because in 9 to 5 I know investing. And I know I can't make a tree setting. I just.
How's everyone doing? Oh, how is everyone doing today? All right. So today, of course, we will be looking at NQ once NYSE opens. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, so we will be looking at NQ once NYSE opens. And as far as gold goes, before we talk about gold, we do have news today, pretty much in 2 hours. So we'll see if we can, of course, catch a trade before this news, or else we're just gonna have to wait for the news. And as of right now, if gold can come back to this 30-minute demand, pretty much I will be buying it because we previously broke highs. As of right now, we're not breaking a major low of a range. However, in between the range, we have a BOS of this minor support. We have it on the 15. We don't have a minor support there on the 30. So on the 15 and the 5, we have a minor BOS because I am expecting price to pretty much come down here, and then we can look for something like this, potentially breaking the London high. So in between this range, before we come back to this 30-minute demand, I'll be looking to short gold. However, if we come down to this 30-minute demand at least, like I just explained, I will be looking to buy. Oh, you go 40 pips from good sales. All right. Nice 40 ticks.
Recording in progress.
Go ahead, buy a couple of drinks. I'm okay with some wine and some TV. Don't need a boyfriend when I have a retriever, cause when we play games he comes back to me. A pretty face doesn't last forever, and all the one-liners get less clever. I want a front porch with some flowers in the driveway. It's where I'll be when I'm 40. Do your own thing, I'm staying on a Friday. You can tell me all the stories. Got a 15-year investment, that's why I'm scared to be reckless. I'll have my own house with a monster in the driveway. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. we're chasing things. I don't have time for a lesson. Sure, he'd buy me some pricey drinks, but I can't afford to be falling. A gentleman doesn't last forever, and all the one-liners get less clever. I want a front porch with some flowers in the driveway. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. Do your own thing, I'm staying on a Friday. You can tell me all the stories. Got a 15-year investment. That's why I'm scared to be reckless. Let my own house with a monster in the driveway. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. 15 but on a front porch with some flowers in the driveway. That's where we'll be when I'm 40. Do your own thing, I'm staying on a Friday. You can tell me all the stories. Got a 15-year investment. That's why I'm scared to be reckless. I like my own house with the monster in the driveway. That's where we'll be when I'm 40. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. That's where I'll be when I'm 40. Got a 15-year investment. That's why I'm scared to be reckless. I like my own house with the monster in the driveway.
Looking for buys today. If we come back to the 30-minute demand index, I will be looking for buys from there. But for now, I am still looking for sales. This 5-minute supply could hold. However, I would prefer this 30-minute supply up there at least. But we'll see how we react to this 5. Then, if it makes sense to take the sales from here, I will. Or if not, just gonna have to wait for buys. We reject from here. I don't think we're gonna have. Maybe we just might. Okay, maybe we might have a 1-to-1.
Turn around and walk it out. You got to go.
Alright, so let's see what happens at this 5 minute. Let's see what happens at this 5 minute.
Come, stand a little closer, I'll drop dead. I know you heard about what I said, yeah. I don't need much, but I need you in my bed. Really, cause I can't take it any longer in my head, yeah. So, darling, darling, yeah, yeah, oh, I've been falling, falling, yeah, yeah, I've been falling for you. Summertime blue in your eyes, know you. Looking for a vibe in your life, so darling, darling, yeah, yeah, oh. You've been running, running, you've been running for way too long. Can we find love or is that too much? That too much. Baby, are you down, 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 down? When you touch down, yeah, tag me with the pound. You owning the town, 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 town. So tell me when you, when you touching down, 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 down. So I could come around, round, 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 round. I know that you don't mess with no clowns. I know that you down, down, down. Yeah, oh, we're only starting, but I'm falling for you right now, girl. I know it's crazy, but you know things get hazy when I'm in your world. So, baby, where you been all my life when I was always down on the pavement? I was out waiting in my spaceship for you to lift me up and take me places. So, darling, darling, yeah, yeah, oh, I've been falling, falling, yeah, yeah, I've been falling for you. Summertime blue in your eyes, know you. Looking for a vibe in your life, so darling, darling, yeah, yeah, oh. You've been running, running, you've been running for way too long. Can we find love or is that too much? Need to know. Baby, are you down, 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 down? When you touch down, yeah, tag me with the pound. You owning the town, 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 town. So tell me when you, when you touching down, 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 down. So I could come around, round, 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 round. I know that you don't mess with no clowns. I know that you down, down, down.
Do you remember the beginning? First time your eyes met mine. All I remember is a feeling, one I couldn't deny. I know I fall in love easily, but when it's right, it's right. And you do things differently. But it's just the things you do that drive me so crazy, crazy for you. And there'll always be you and me, and there'll always be
Order filled. Order filled.
you mirror me. You're my symmetry. You mirror me. You're my symmetry. You mirror me. You're my symmetry. You mirror me.
If we take a sell right here, we'll be looking at 40 ticks per plus. Oh, ah, 40 ticks. Okay. Oh, good morning, Joey.
Order filled.
What the hell? This is always filling before the other accounts. And it slipped me. So good though. 14.9. Uh-oh, damn, it already gave. Wait, did it give it already? Uh-oh. Damn, that's one crazy candle that just flipped now. Does it mean bullish when it broke the 5-minute? Broke what 5 minute? Broke a 5-minute high or a 5-minute low? High. Where? We didn't break any 5-minute high just yet. $33.16 on futures. This minor high right here. No. Right here on the 5-minute, this is the 5-minute first range. And even if we do break it, it does not mean we're back bullish. We have this 30-minute supply to contend with. Yeah, got this candle. Really nice candle. Oh, all right. Yeah. Okay. Trade.
Order filled.
All right. That's a quick loss. Okay. Well, I'm gonna look for one more position here, and then we'll see. Wow. All right. Got one more trade left in me. You're glad you didn't get in? It's cool. Nothing wrong with that. We're about to make that money back though, if it gives us a setup. Anyways, now, if this 30-minute supply pretty much holds, which is the one I pretty much wanted anyways, but you also do have a 5-minute supply here. We could have actually also rejected, and this low on the 5-minute we actually closed below, so this was a good supply. Price just didn't hold there. It is what it is. Now, if we hold this 30-minute supply here, because of this support here and this support that we have here now, we need to wait for this. If we now reject another minor high that we created maybe around here somewhere, then we can anticipate price coming back down. That's what I'm going to be waiting for. Now, the reason why I didn't wait for it here is because, of course, in this range, as of right now, price broke a minor low. Like I said earlier, we didn't break any highs, so there's no reason for me to wait for this move.
When you close your eyes, tell me
Right?
what you see. Am
So
I there with you? 'Cause I will always love you.
see what happens.
Help it. It's something
I do not see gold breaking this high right now. Should come back to this London low. Mm-mm. This was just a COMEX push. Yeah, it's actually COMEX candle. Could have pushed down. If we do not have volume, yeah, we might have to wait for the news today. But we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. And if you guys notice what happened earlier with gold, that's why I don't like to take anything from the middle of the range. Sometimes those middle supply or demand, they be holding. the best tool supplies, yeah, is pretty much the steady and of course the 30 above that we rejected previously.
At the VWAP as well and just rocket it up.
VWAP.
Yeah. That candle came straight down, looking good. Tap VWAP and rip.
If we're gonna come back and break it, hopefully we tap the steady supply before we do. At least we should come back to this London low. Right now, this is a London low as well, but it's the minor low.
Look at it. It's fucking.
That would be crazy if it comes down now. Without tapping the 30-minute supply, that would be freaking insane.
You know it will.
Man, are you kidding me right now?
Oh man, that's crazy. Back to entry.
Some low impact Nielsen coming. We don't care about low impact news, Alex. We care about them high impact news. Trying to see how long that NAS trade we took yesterday, how long it took to hit full TP. I just woke up and it already hit it. I don't even remember where the entry was.
It only took like an hour and 5 minutes.
Oh, to hit full TP?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It felt like a lot longer.
Definitely did. You held the whole thing?
No.
Oh, yeah. You got out before. Yeah. I remember.
Yeah.
You and Pi.
Never enough, and it's too much to trust, too heavy to carry. You know pain, 'cause you don't think you're ever enough, never enough. You gotta know, in the middle of the night you can call me, you can just call me. And you gotta know, when your dog need light, you can SOS, yeah, just say less, no pressure.
This music is still loud. Oh, no. Even worse.
Keep up with the motion.
Not too bad.
And I keep falling, keep on. You gotta know, in the middle of the night you can call me, you can just call me. And you gotta know, when your dog need light you can SOS, yeah, just say less, no pressure, trust, you got my best efforts, and yes, that's no lie.
Remember, guys, we're still waiting to see how we react at this 30 minutes supply.
When the world is just too much.
We might not even have to wait for the move which I talked about earlier, but we'll see. It depends on how we set up. Depends on how we set up here. Alright, YouTube, I'll be right back. Wow Pie, wish you guys take over for me. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Oh, what was it?
Yeah. Man, where's Edwin? What happened to the guy?
Poor guy. Never stood a chance. Man, this candle's going up and down with gaps.
Yeah, it's
Very gappy.
super low volume today. They're probably like getting ready for the contract rollover, so people are already starting to half migrate.
What will it be called now? GCN? Jesus.
GCZ.
How'd you find this out? Where is this information?
You can see it on TradingView.
It says you've got futures set up.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll take like a couple days for the people to fully migrate over to the new one, and then the old one's toast.
Oh man, it's super annoying. Oh,
Yeah.
so quick.
It's hard to trust the volume profile today because
Mhm.
if you look on the other contract, it looks slightly different, and then they're both gappy.
Yeah. I don't know if you were in London, but like I said to King, I said I don't even think my trader bait's working properly. I've got so many gaps in candles,
Oh,
like this candle now,
yep,
full of holes.
yeah.
Yeah, we should have taken today off.
I'm about to drive 'em crazy. 'Cause I'ma do what I want. And
Tomorrow's rollover day, so it's probably gonna be really, really choppy.
Yeah.
think I wanna quit for the day. I'ma go on a really long drive. 'Cause I can. Yeah, I bought this ride. And I wanna see where the day's gonna go when the sun is high. No reason why. High in the sky, just myself and I.
Damn, it's gonna be annoying if it goes down right now. It's like, really?
Super annoying. Super annoying. There's just no need for that bullish candle.
Exactly. What the
It's
fuck?
got absolutely no volume in it at all.
Oh.
I wasn't at the computer. Maybe if I were, I probably would have shorted it again after that, after seeing all those holes. But
I was thinking, like, it's a good short, but then the 30 supply is like just a couple pips above it.
yeah, and the VWAP as well.
Oh yeah, it keeps bouncing.
Yeah. Don't know why we do it.
Was Edwin here for London?
Not that I saw. No, not that I saw.
Oh, okay. Poor guy.
Hope he's
Must
okay.
have been clapped by Asian session.
Which one?
Yeah, look at it go straight back up to fill the gaps. This is shit.
Nice. Yes, Nicholas Gold is playing, definitely playing.
Yeah, you're gonna see like so many fucking, barcoding.
Got TDP tomorrow, TDP. I thought it was NFP week, but it's not, is it?
It's not?
Oh, is it not? Oh,
Ah.
shit. Hang on. What am I talking about? Wait.
Let's see.
Oh, it's Friday. Oh, it's Friday. Of course it is. NFP Friday. Yeah,
Yeah,
NFP
yeah.
Friday. Best Friday of the month.
Man, there's a lot of fucking red news, eh? FOMC
Yeah.
statement, conference. Jesus.
Now I'm running this race, yeah. Stallions couldn't catch up to me. I'm running till I get first place. I'm running till I get everything, everything I ever wanted in my dream. No, I ain't a stranger to the fire, burning up all my desire to be greatest days coming in waves. And no, I ain't no stranger to the fire, burning up all my desire to be great. I gotta just open the gate. All I need is saving from hitting
All
the
right,
pavement.
I'm back.
Understand it when I'm impatient, that only I give to me.
There's a chance Nas is going to break this London low. If it does, we'll see how we react at pretty much any of this demand down here for buys. Nas, though, we're gonna have to wait until the news starts if we do not get a trade on gold, because you got NYSE and then we have news 30 minutes after NYSE. This has to do with job openings. There's a very high chance it's going to affect NQ.
I don't really care about like all them fancy things. Never had a lust for cars or sparkly diamond rings. I don't really care about them platinum studded boys that run around the whole damn town just showing off the toys. Like do-si-do, I'm ready to go. Been a damn long week, it's time for the show. Call my girls like, ooh, don't you know? I'm with my girls, yeah, my girls. We've been working all day. It's time to dance the night away. I'm with my girls, yeah, my girls. We got records to play, so come let's dance the night away. Come on, like do-si-do, we ready to go. Sneaker fresh for the halftime show. That's right, girls, we dropping it low. Like do-si-do, we ready to go. Sneaker fresh for the halftime show. That's right, girls, we dropping it low.
So I'm going to make a quick explanation of the reason why earlier I said if this 30-minute supply holds, or even if the 15-minute supply holds, we are going to wait for the aggressive push, at least 2 or more 5-minute candles, and they have to be perfect closures, meaning each candle needs to close below the previous candle. So if we get that, we wait for this and then this. Now, yeah, we are not breaking highs just yet, so we don't really have to wait for these setups. But you also have to understand that if you look to the left, the gold actually broke highs. That's number one. And as of right now, we are not breaking, we've not closed below the major low of our first range, which is pretty much between London high and London low. Right? That's going to be the minor range. Now the major range is going to be Asian low, between Asian low and, I take that back, that's also a minor low. Asia low and London high. Now the major low in this range is going to be the previous daily candle low. Why? It's because previously this was the low that we created when we were dropping, and this low is the one that pretty much created this high. So this is a major. So if we are going to fall here, there's a chance we could come all the way back down to this 4-hour demand again, just to break below the previous session lows. New York could decide to do that, but that's fine. Now, so if you take a look closely, we keep rejecting this 15-minute demand. That's number one. Okay, that's number one. Excuse me. So we keep rejecting the 15-minute demand. Now, if we go to the 5, well, where did this low come from? Well, it came from this 5-minute demand. Okay. Now, we have an issue when it comes to the fact that this low, not only did it reject the 5-minute demand once, it rejected it twice, then we created a 15-minute demand and price just keeps bouncing off of it. Which means that we could actually push up from here. Now, if we are going to take this itself from this 30-minute supply because of what happened here on this low, now if price, for whatever reason, like how we're rejecting now, if it keeps rejecting, in order for us to be sure that we're actually going to break this minor low, we need to see the sellers come in. And how do we know if the sellers comes in? When we see aggressive candles closing below the previous candles, then that gives us hope. Now guess what? If we have that, like this drawing here, maybe we have a supply here like this. Now, if price comes down, damn it. So if price comes down aggressively, creates a low, and we know price moves in higher highs and higher lows. We all know that. So if it creates a higher low, right, and then it goes back up, finds resistance, and will pretty much reject, it should come down and break this previous low. At that point, these buyers are no longer safe because the sellers came in here. No matter what, the sellers will at least want to bring it back to the bottom of this range. At least, if they really actually there. There will be enough sellers to break this minor of this new range to bring price back down to the major of this range. It shouldn't be hard to do if they're actually there and we have volume. And we could come down to this low and reject again, or we could break it. So, damn, I did a lot. I said too much. Sorry guys, I was talking too much.
That was excellent. Excellent
That's good.
explanation.
Quality content right there.
Okay, so well, let's see if sellers are gonna come in from this 30-minute supply. Abdul, what pair is this? We're looking at MGC, which is pretty much gold, and NQ, which is pretty much what you know as NAS 100. It's pretty much the same. If you trade Forex, hell, you should be able to trade futures easy. If you trade Forex, you should even be able to trade stocks. Trading it will not be the issue. It's other things that will be the issue because you actually need to learn. Like, pretty much placing a trade. Now, you're coming from a lot size to whatever they call it in stocks, I don't know. So you're gonna have to learn stuff like that. You're gonna have to learn the risk management so you don't freaking blow your account.
What is it in stocks? Contracts?
Share.
I have no.
Shares. Oh yeah, of course it is. Yeah, shares.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say I have no freaking idea.
Are you high? Are you high?
Yeah, that's why I said
Yeah.
too much. That's why I said
Yeah.
too much earlier.
Man, come on, trading Jesus when you're high.
Wait. What did it say? I don't know.
You become like trading Jesus.
Oh.
Start spinning facts and so much wisdom.
I guess I need to start getting high often while I trade.
Can't believe that. I thought it was gonna start on there.
Then maybe I'll never lose. This channel will grow then.
Man, you'd have the biggest channel on you, mate. Everyone coming over to see Black Jesus.
Oh man. Even hedge fund will be looking for that person. Hedge fund companies. Shit, the government will be looking for that person. Like, nah, you're cheating. You're doing something. That's not ordinary. See, we tap the 15. Okay. Now, also remember when it comes to this range that we're in now, you have your pretty much good supply and your best supply. So meaning this has less chances of holding and this has more chances of holding if we are going to drop. Simply because that's pretty much the major high of where the move started from to the downside. However, in my own opinion, and this is just my own opinion and I'm going to stick to it, because we all know if we're moving, if we, what do you call it? If we're dropping, we create lower highs and lower lows, right? That's how price moves to the downside. Now, in my own opinion, the perfect spot for price to drop is going to be here. Why? Because if we reject here and we drop from here, it creates a perfect lower high. Perfect. With trend line also. Perfect. However, but I mean, if we reject here, I mean, technically it's still a lower high because we didn't break the major high that created this low. but it's not perfect. But it's not perfect. This 15 minute supply is the perfect one, in my opinion. See? I might actually be right now. See? Like we got volume coming in. Would be a perfect lower high.
Yeah, I shorted off that.
Damn it. Oh, always cheating.
Right off 33.22.2.
See them sellers, huh?
Yeah, I did. I just one of Black Jesus' followers. I'm like John. Call me John.
I'm not gonna lie. You see this, what I just said earlier? Man, it just popped up in my head. Like, of course I'm high. And then when I'm high, especially when I'm trading, I think about it a lot. I just be getting different freaking stuff running through my head. What I said earlier, I've never thought of it before. But it made sense to me. And I'm going to test that out. That's what I do. When I started trading the 5 minutes again, all this setup that I'm pretty much using and waiting for now, I thought about that shit after I smoked. And I tested it out. And I was like, oh shit. If I can wait for this setup 100% of the time, which is not going to be possible, but at least if I can wait for it 7 out of 10 times, I'll be good. And I tested it out. Fun fact, it is bored that Jesus actually had quite dark skin and it also had big descendant. Oh, Kidobit, are you talking about what I just said?
Yeah, I'm a little bit lost as well. What is it that you didn't say before that you think's a really good idea?
Yeah, when I talked about even though technically trading terms, this is the perfect spot for it to reject because it's the major high of this range, right? However, when we talk about structural pattern, we all know how price falls, right? We create lower highs and lower lows. Now, because of that, the perfect spot will be this because it gives it that perfect lower high structure to continue down. But if it goes all the way up here, it's still a lower high because it did not break the major high that created the low, but it's not perfect, if that makes sense. Oh, shit, I guess it doesn't make sense.
No, it does. No, it does. It's perfect.
all right, KDB. Oh. Since I've never thought of that before, I'm really anxious to see if this supply is going to hold. But if it doesn't, I'm still gonna test it out. That's my mission this weekend. The reason why I want to test it out is also that's why I always should be back testing and improving on pretty much the way you trade. Now, the way I'm thinking now, okay, if I actually test this out and it actually works, now I can use that structural pattern to my advantage, because that way I can avoid losses as well. Because now all I have to wait for, if we're pushing up, I just have to wait for that high, that demand that pretty much creates that higher low structural pattern. And I just wait for that. That's it. If we're falling, I do the same thing. Focus on that supply that creates that lower high structural pattern. And I just wait for price to get there. So I'm curious to see if this is going to hold. So YouTube, if what I just said, and that goes to everyone in Zoom too, if what I just said, if it actually plays out, pretty much from this 30 minutes, 15-minute supply, you should go back and back test that too on your own. I mean, you should know how price move if we pushing up, and you should know how price move if we're pushing down, and that's what you focus on, using supply and demand. That's if you trade supply and demand, of course. Because, man, when you're starting out learning supply and demand, if you're not very careful, you're going to be taking a lot of losses, and you'll be wondering, but, man, why didn't this demand hold, or why didn't this supply hold? But it's actually there. It's a good one. Nah, it wasn't. You just marked up the wrong supply or wrong demand zone. Like the one we took earlier. It was there, but it was the wrong one. And one of the ways to avoid those is not using the supply or demand zones in the middle of the range. Do they work sometimes? Yeah, they do. But most of the time they don't. Right, which is what I did earlier, because it was a good supply. That was why I actually marked it, because usually I don't take the middle of the range. So stuff like that, you have to pay attention to it. But if you don't know, then you just don't know. Because supply and demand zones, they're freaking everywhere. Yeah. I'm getting confident in this supply zone. It's going to hold for sure. For sure. Yep. Now we just gotta wait for the setup that we want. Hopefully it gives it. Cause man, volume is coming in. Volume is coming in.
It stop you out, Pi.
Oh, did it? Didn't I thought it got in on this candle?
Yeah, but it came straight
Oh,
back up.
yeah,
It got me. I took 20 pips and went break even.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Too bad.
I know.
Because I got in when you got out.
Painful, man. Oh
I'm
man.
dead.
Stop punching me.
Oh man.
I'm not gonna call
But
my
I'm
trade.
out already. I got out just above VWAP. It's like, fuck it.
Yeah, VWAP and the POC.
Yeah.
Now, so candle wise, we do not have what we want as of right now. We do not have what we want. The only thing we have is one candle closing below the previous bullish candle. Nah, that's not good enough. The second candle failed. So we don't have what we want yet. Now, this current candle is going to have to break and close below this candle. If it does close below this, that will be good enough. But if it closes below that candle, that would be better. Oh, the intensive 3-day boot camp that I told you guys about. If you're still interested in it, you can get on the wait list. We start on August 1st, which is pretty much around the corner. So, just intensive teaching using simple terms, no made up terms that I freaking came up with. Nah, simple terms, something that you understand. Not trying to complicate anything.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me it's just basics? You want me to trade with just the basics? Not with like, inversions and silver bullets?
Shit, basics is,
Fibonacci's?
man, basics is all you need.
Oh. Shit, I don't know. I don't know if I can trust this.
Well, the ones that are not basic, what did they do?
Scam me.
There you go. Okay. And Nas is rejecting London low. I don't know about this range on Nas right now. Yeah, if Nas stays in this range, I'll still be looking for this until the breaks get highs again.
Man, Nas was pretty crazy yesterday. Just out of nowhere, you're just like fucking massive push up and down.
That, if we take it today, hopefully, hopefully she acts right.
Apparently, from what Top Step said, I think they said it was like someone fat fingering like 1,000 lot order.
Yep. Yeah, I'll be looking for some sales on NQ because previously was we had London high here, but then New York grabbed it and we came down aggressively. So there's a higher chance we could continue down, even though we rejected London low. New York said no at the highs of Asian high, of London high. So expecting a continuation here.
Yeah, there's like no volume, that gap.
Mm-hmm.
He needs to fill it, man. And technically, we have a lower low. Like this low is lower than that low.
Yeah, technically, yeah. You might be wondering, well, on Nas, isn't Nas bullish? Why am I talking about selling it? Well, number one, this is called day trading. I know it's bullish long term, but I'm a day trader. Is there a sell opportunity for me? Well, I say yes, there is, and which is what I'll be expecting here. Short-term sales, day trading. So unfortunately, at this point, I still see gold falling. However, I'm gonna have to stay away because NYC is about to open and we got news in 40 minutes. So I don't know. But if anyone is still feeling it, hey, you can, take this L. But I think I'm gonna wait for the news. Yeah, cause shit, I don't know what good is going to do. I might get it now and then that thing freaking just stay, doesn't freaking do nothing.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not willing to risk it. Who knows? Maybe us waiting for the news might even give us a better setup. Who knows?
Hopefully.
Yep.
It's kind of like, like when you wait for your, ideal setup, it tends to give you a better risk to reward. And you just need to be a little bit extra patient.
Yeah, pretty much. Those look good. Yeah, they look good. Should drop from here.
Too risky to short now. You can get stuck in a New York candle.
Yep.
A news candle.
Yep. We only had.
And they could fuck you, like the comics candle.
Yep.
We only had one opportunity, and that didn't work out. So.
I thought it was going straight to TP.
Me too.
Damn.
Me too. Because I've seen this type of freaking supply of freaking holds, and then just continue. Like look at it. Look at the freaking 5 minute supply yesterday.
Yeah.
That freaking weird ass looking supply.
400 pips down.
And that one freaking held. Like man.
It nearly went straight to the 50%, like straight away. Probably missed it by a couple of pips.
Yeah. I wasn't expecting it to hold at all. Especially the fact that when it held, the 15 didn't even close yet. The 5 minute just like said, nope, I ain't waiting for the 15 minute today. I'm going. 15 will follow me today. I sound like he's taking a what? A deuce? Wait, what's that?
Oh, I think it's like a shit. He's taking a shit.
Oh. Damn, how does someone sound like when they're taking a shit? I mean, I'm just asking because I don't know. I know how I sound, but I don't know how anyone else sounds.
Cause I'm tangled in the way that your love got me tied up.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Guildbeat
What?
says he has like the sound. It sounds like the reverberation of like a bathroom when you're talking.
Oh, okay. And in there, probably is gonna. If you're in there, it's probably gonna sound like an echo or something.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
I was gonna say, I didn't really hear Pi like struggling to talk.
Oh no, why? What happened? Did you think I was on the toilet? No, I was in the van.
You Wait, you were in the toilet?
No, I was in the van. VAN.
Oh, in the van.
It disconnected to the Bluetooth. That's all.
Oh,
Man, I learned my lesson when I got caught on camera. I ain't taking my phone to the bathroom anymore.
man. I might have been the only one that missed it that day. I think it was only me and Wild that missed it.
Yeah.
'Cause,
We're
you
too
know,
busy looking at the charts.
Yeah. We just looked at the charts and we were like, what's going on here? What's going on in the chat?
Edwin fucking recorded it. he was loving it so much.
Oh, man. Oh, you missed it too, a little bit? Oh, okay. Actually, I think it was David that caught it.
Yeah, David.
Oh, David.
Yeah, it was David.
And then they were like, "Oh man, turn off your camera," and I was like, "I told you I was Jamaican. Look at look."
And keep going for another run to all-time highs. Possibly, but until it does it. But if you ask me, I think we're going to break this low. So we'll see if I'm right. Either for this 30-minute supply. Oh, okay, it's also a 15. Or we do it right here on the 5.
It's at all-time high, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's at all-time high. Now, is it going to continue higher even if it drops? Yeah, absolutely. It's going to continue higher. But all I'm saying is there will be some short-term sales coming.
They can't make it that easy for the buyers. They gotta shake them out.
Yeah. And like I said earlier, I already explained the reason why I think it's going to come down. It's pretty much because we pretty much New York grabbed the previous session high. So we'll see if I'm right. So we have this 5 minute here. Oh,
time high, let's go.
Well, we wicked it. So shit, the buyers got in. I'm wrong. Oh, NYSC opened.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, they said no. Oh, they said no. Damn, even with NYSC, I actually expected that they're gonna want to drop it before taking it back up. When we talk about aggressive candles, this is pretty much the type of candles we'll be talking about, but it still need to close aggressive. If it does, now you know, okay, yeah, for sure, buyers are what? Here. And then you just follow them. Well, okay, well, I guess we were too scared to freaking sell gold because of news. Shit is dropping.
Ah, shit. Straight fucking down.
Straight to TP. You took it, Dex. Let me actually see if it would have smashed it. Where would I have taken this if I did? Okay. We would have taken it there. Yeah, 50. Oh shit. I smashed it. Oh well.
No worries. New York session only just started.
Yep. You took it, alright. Nice, Dex. I'm telling you guys that the theory we talked about earlier, the structural pattern, combined with supply and demand, man. We can have it, man. You should go try it out. Never know. No. Know what I'm saying? And people ask me, why do I smoke weed so much? I tell them, well, I smoke it for spirituality. That's a conversation for another day, though. Now, based on the structural pattern we talk about, now if this high, and to really use this when you're back testing, you also have to understand range of whatever time frame you're trading. Now, in this 5 minute right now, we got a new, range, which is high, low. Okay, that's the range. If this high breaks and close below this low, especially on the 15, 30 minute and the other time frames, now the perfect place for gold to reject would be here. Because guess what? It's going to do what? Create another perfect lower high. So price to give us a continuation. Now, even if we create a supply here, okay, the fact that we broke this low, this will also be a perfect lower high as well. Okay. But this will be the stronger supply. But in this case, we don't have nothing in the middle, so this will be the perfect supply as of right now. So you just backtest that, and you do the same thing for demand. Focus on, look at what price is doing. You might have, I feel like when you're backtesting it, if you don't understand when to use momentum and when to use structure, you might struggle a little bit, but if you understand and know how to spot them and know when to actually pretty much go against the trend, because pretty much what momentum is actually going against the trend. That's what it is. So if you can pretty much differentiate, then that's the only thing you probably will struggle with. But if you know how to, then you'll be fine. Because as of right now, well, as of right now, we just have bearish momentum. We're not bullish. I mean, we're not bearish. I mean, overall higher time frame is bullish. The stronger demand is going to be back to this 4-hour demand, the same one that rejected. That's the strongest. That's the strongest demand, and just like I said yesterday with gold, 4-hour demand will be where I'll be looking to buy. Well, it's going to be the same thing today. London high coming all the way down to grab its own low and do the same thing with Asia low, and then we start pushing up. Damn, Nas. Sheesh. Forget New York high now. It's gone. Well, where's the one hour is still open? Well, it's 30 minutes, it's not closed yet, but we'll go ahead and use it for now. Well, now we have the New York low there. Nas 100% buys for sure. This thing is on a all-time high. It's good. Just gotta be patient for price to pull back to the demand level and we execute.
Saw you stand at the station. I guess you're making some new plans. Between us words were left unspoken. If only we had one more chance. I want a love that runs deeper than a river. I want a love that lifts me higher than the stars. I want a love that's true. Nothing else will do. I want love, and I want it with you. I left you out there in the rain, but girl, I can't go back in time. I need you to stay so I can breathe. The clouds have cleared, and now I see
You closed the short in profit. Oh, nice, Joey. Nice.
deeper than a river. I want a love that lifts me higher than the stars. I want a love that's true. Nothing else will do. I want love, and I want it with you.
Oh, it's spazzing.
Some days I feel lost without you, but I keep holding on. I want a love that runs deeper than
I was hoping NASA's gonna wait for the news before it sets up. But looks like this thing might set up before the news.
Just to keep this life alive. I know the words that I say show up materially, even when I don't need to. Moving the way that I like. Think I got it right this time. Yeah. Got everything I need, this more. Grab a cup, focus, mind is flowing over. Like every morning is an open door. Got truth, casting a spell over me. Got everything I need, this more. Grab a cup, focus, mind is flowing over. Like every morning is an open door. Got truth, casting a spell over me. Close emotions, daylight
Damn.
closes, waiting, no one. Why not crazy friends saying
We need at least this 5 minute support. Supply.
I still remember when we were in love, kissing me all night, making me feel nice. I'm on fire, and my heart in pieces. I'm on fire, falling into pieces.
And if Gold does not want to give us anything, hopefully Nas does. Just kind of wait for this news in 14 minutes.
Emotions, daylight closes, waiting, no one. Why not crazy friends saying lazy, tears down racing.
Gold should come down. Grab London low. Grab Asian low before we actually push up. That's my analysis. You also have the previous daily candle low there as well. So had a chance of holding that low. And even if we're gonna continue, if we do reject this 4-hour demand area, it should be a deeper pullback from there. Not a short pullback like this. Dodgy Kush? What do you mean, Rainmaker? Dodgy Kush. Well, we still have 2 more 5-minute candles after this current candle closes on NAS. We'll see. Or maybe we'll come all the way to the 15. Because we really don't have a 30-minute demand if this thing closes like this. I mean, if we do not close above the previous candle here on the 30-minute, then there's no 30-minute demand. So we'll see if we're gonna come to the 15. Or probably will come down to the 15. Okay. Man, that would be crazy if it actually breaks.
Wow. Nas about to try to stop out those buyers.
That would be crazy if it actually freaking breaks.
Huh. 76 pip drop from the high.
One more 5-minute candle after this one, and then we got news. Even if it breaks this New York low, I'll still be looking for buys. It's just breaking minor high right now. Shit. We got Asian low, and any of this demand right here could hold.
King,
Huh? Hey,
I have a question.
yeah, look at this volume though.
King,
Yeah?
I have a question. Like, is
Mm-hmm.
there any reason you didn't take the sales here, even though she double top on the 5 minutes?
News.
News, I said it earlier.
Okay.
Yeah, it was news. Even though we had time, I just was not confident based on, past experiences.
Also, it didn't really look nice because of how choppy it was. Like, kind of gambling that hopefully it stops chopping.
Oh, you mean before the double top or after?
I don't know, just like it's like super choppy, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
news is coming up. It could just continue chopping
Oh,
before
yeah,
the
yeah,
news.
yep, that too, yeah. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. Wow, please take over for me.
Well, man, that's a bit rude of Nas. News in 4 minutes.
Alright, I'm back.
Just in time.
Alright, news. Gotta wait for at least 5 minutes. I would prefer for this to actually come lower, but since we pretty much grabbed New York low, yeah, since we pretty much grabbed New York low, I'll still take it. 240. Well, looks like gold might be determined not to give us what we set up we're looking for here. And I have a 30-minute here. So the rejection, instead of the 5, it pretty much rejected the 30 minutes. It's up to Nas. Yeah, I think the trade is going to be Nas. So that's what we'll be watching. Apologies if you don't trade Nas, but I don't think gold is gonna give us anything soon. If we take a buy, we're looking at 150 ticks stop loss. See how this candle closes. Not close yet. All right. We'll have it diced up right there. Uploads will be actually 160. 160. Let me see, between 150 and 160. I'm gonna see when we actually do get triggered. No, that's ticks. Oh, no. No, Pi, that's ticks. So Forex is going to be
Order filled.
between 37, pretty much 38 pips to 40. So 150. Then where's 160? I'm gonna do 150. Looks like the sellers are still in this. The hourly looks ugly. Oh, look at that previous candle. So we only got closure above on the 5 and the 15. 30 rejected, 1 hour rejected. If it doesn't hold here, man, the sellers are absolutely still in this, and they're gonna push this thing further down. Buyers are trying. If we do not push up from here, and it will be swing closure below the low, below this minor low on the higher time frames, and that's gonna drive this down. So this low is crucial. That's why it is a good spot to buy. not looking good.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
Yeah. Well, shit, definitely not a good day. London session 1 has made. I just gave it back. Well, go again tomorrow. Shit, thank you. I won't be looking for buys anymore. Yeah. That was the chance right there. And they said no. 30 minutes is about to close below the low, so yeah, probably is your session low. This 30-minute demand. Probably that's where they want to push it up from. So yeah, it's coming for that Asia session low. Well, so this NQ loss, did we do anything wrong? Well, no, we didn't, because we pretty much were breaking highs. Very clean demand setup, but we just didn't hold. At this point, and this demand was pretty much a perfect zone for, no, where was it? Right here. Was it the 1 hour? No, I think 15. Yeah, 15 minutes. So, the perfect zone for a higher low, right? Especially the fact that we were struggling to break the lows right here. We were struggling to break the lows, so it's a very good zone for price to push back up. But if it does not, then there's nothing we can do. They just want to push this down further. And if the higher time frame closes below now, yeah, this thing wants to drive further down. So, well, that's it for me today. We'll go again tomorrow. We still got time here. Today is Tuesday. We got Wednesday, Thursday, and of course NFP on Friday. We'll see how tomorrow goes. God bless you all. I appreciate you all. See you guys tomorrow. I'm out. All right, Zoom. I'll see you guys then in London tomorrow.
All right. Thanks,
All
Abe.
right, guys.